Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 63, class 9th science for the date 4th December. In today's worksheet, we are going to discuss about the atomic number and mass number. That means परमाणु संख्या और द्रव्यमान संख्या के बारे में बात करेंगे. What is atomic number and mass number of an atom? Gyan is asking her sister Jigyasa. Now as we know that atom is constituted by subatomic particle, that is proton, which was discovered by E. Goldstein, electron by J. J. Thomson and neutron by James Chadwick. Proton and neutrons both are present in nucleus. Proton और neutron दोनों जो है nucleus में है and electrons are revolving around the nucleus in their discrete orbits. So the total number of protons present in nucleus of an atom is called the atomic number. So this is the definition. It is denoted by letter Z, and the number of electrons in an atom is equal to the total number of protons present in it. So proton and electrons are always equal in an atom. Therefore the net charge on an atom is 0 or neutral, but when an atom loses or gains electrons, the balance of electrons and protons gets distributed and become charged and forms an ion. So if an atom loses or gains electron, then the balance of atom changes and they forms the ions as per losing and gaining positive and negative ions. So what is mass number? As we discussed, mass number is P plus N, that means proton plus neutron. Mass of one proton is taken as 1 unit and charge on it is taken as +1. Similarly, mass of one neutron is taken as 1 U, but charge is 0. So mass of electron is very small, that is negligible, and charge on it is taken as -1. Therefore neutron and proton subatomic particle are present in nucleus of an atom, therefore they are called as nucleons. Both combined called as nucleons, and sum total of protons and neutrons present in a nucleus is known as mass number. Now there is a term which is known as isobars. Isobars means those elements which have different atomic number but having same atomic mass are known as isobars. You can take the example of calcium and argon. Both are having the different atomic number. One is at 18, another is at 20, but the mass number of both is same, that is 40. So both of these two are the example of isobar. Next is isotopes. It is just opposite of isobars. The atoms of same element having the same atomic number but different mass number are known as isotope. Here the atomic number is same but the mass number is different. In case of isobars, the atomic number was different, mass number was same. So we can take the example of two chlorine. Both are having the atomic number 17, but one is at C35 and another is 37. So one is having 35 atomic mass and another is having 37. Likewise, there is isotopes known as protium, deuterium and tritium. These are the isotopes of hydrogen having the atomic number 1 but the mass number 1, 2 and 3. Mass number of an atom is taken as the average of atomic mass of its forms as per the percentage of existence of its isotopic form. Likewise, in case of chlorine, this Cl35 chlorine is existing in 75% and Cl37 is existing in 25%. So we can do the calculation and we come out to be average at 35.5. So in periodic table आपको जो क्लोरीन का एटॉमिक मास है या आप कहीं पर भी क्लोरीन का एटॉमिक मास यूज़ करते हो तो आप यही वैल्यू लेते हो, उसके पीछे रीज़न यही है. There are different applications of isotopes and this is very important also. Certain isotopes have radioactive properties which are used in several ways, like iodine is used in the treatment of goiter, जो आपके गले में जो बीमारी होती है. Cobalt is treatment of cancer के अंदर, and isotope uranium is used in the nuclear reactor as a fuel. Question answers are there. What are nucleons? Neutron and proton subatomic particle are present in nucleus of an atom, therefore they are also called as nucleons. Okay. Question 2. Define mass number and atomic number. The sum of total number of proton and neutron present in nucleus of an atom is called its atomic mass, and the total number of proton present in the nucleus of an atom is called its atomic number. Write applications of any three isotopes. Iodine isotope is used in treatment of goiter, cobalt in treatment of cancer, and isotope of uranium is used as a fuel. Calculate the mass number and atomic number of an atom having 6 electrons, 6 proton and 6 neutron. So mass number is P plus N, 6 electron and 6 proton plus 6, 12. It's 12 U. You have to write its unit is 12U, and atomic number of protons 6, so the atomic number will also be 6. Question number 5th is write the symbol and valency of elements from atomic number 1 to 18. This is also given in your NCERT also. These are the 18 elements. The symbol is given, you have to write the symbol, you have to write the valency, this one, but this will help you to understand how this valency is coming out. Atomic number 1, remember valency is the number of electrons gained, lost or shared to complete its octet or to make itself stable. So valency for the elements having 1, 2, 3, 4 in the outermost shell will be same as their valency, and those which are having the 5, 6, 7, 8, you can reduce it from the 8 minus 8, you will get the valency. Hope you like the explanation of our worksheet. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel and ask your friends also to do so. Thank you.